God bless you again. It's a guys again, and I'm back with another lit video for you guys. Alright, so in today's video, sorry, I took my hair out. Anyway, in today's video, I'll be attempting to make a plain cake for the first time. I've never tried it, I just saw it and I wanted to try. So that's what we're going to be doing. Obviously, you can tell by the title, and yeah, that's basically what we're doing. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn your bell notifications on to stay updated about every time I post. And let's just get to the video. So I'll just show you guys the ingredients and whatever, and we'll just do the whole process. Alright guys, so here are the ingredients. First we need milk powder, but I don't have milk powder, so I'm gonna use just normal milk. I think I'll warm it and use that. It's not a must. If you don't have something, replace it with something else. So next is eggs. We need eggs. We need like 3 eggs. I wrote these things down, so yeah. We need some sugar. We need flour. I'm using this so-called home baking flour. And what else? Oh, baking powder. We need baking powder, which is right there, and this is whatever I'm going to put the mix. We need vanilla essence for taste. Yes, we need vanilla essence for taste. We need butter. I don't have butter. I'm using this. I just melt it and it works just perfectly. What else? Yeah, so that's basically everything for the plain cake. I'm excited. Okay, so the methods are like you cream the butter and add sugar and mix. Cream the butter, add sugar and mix. So I'll just set you guys up somewhere, and then you'll just watch whatever I'm doing. Then add lemon. Oh my god, I need lemon. Add vanilla, 2 eggs. Add baking powder. Mix 1 egg at a time. Mix well till the eggs are wherever. Add and mix the milk powder. Add and mix the remaining egg. Fold in flour using a spatula. Bake at 180 degrees. Okay. Alright. So let me just set you guys somewhere. minutes when we are done, like when it's ready for whatever. Alright guys, so I've mixed it, and this is how the mixture actually looks. See, so this is what I need to take in here. This is what goes in the oven. So just take this, actually put it there, and then we'll bake. And it says you actually it says bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, that will be okay. Now you guys are patient, you're gonna be waiting. Anyway, yeah, this is how it looks, and I love it. I love it. Okay, so I'll just take the mixture and put it here, and then we'll do the oven. So I'll just set it up in the oven. The oven is already on. It's at 180 degrees, and I'm going to set the timer to 30 to 35 minutes. So let me just say 30, and then within 35 minutes, if it's not ready, I can. Just do some cleaning as it cooks up.
Nanti bukan kata dia kena, nanti kata kata dia orang nanti dia kata kalau kita ada mata before, nanti if I itu asal ini kalau kita itu kalau kita tahu harus sudah kata nanti harus bisa bisa sesuatu ini nanti 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 yang bakal kita kau yang itu nanti yang kalau mana nanti kalau kami nak kita nanti ala kata nanti ibu kan Natasha tapi kalau dia nak kau boleh lagi nanti itu gimana coy dia dia mau nanti mana nanti itu dari ini itu itu cara ini kita kan dia kan dia jual semua apa ya dan nanti kita nak no dari itu kata kau yang harus dan nanti dia kata kau itu dia tak misalnya nanti tahu dia
A few moments later.
Guess what, guys? It's ready. The timer just went up. So let's just check it out. Let me set you guys here. Let's get it. What do I need? I need something to hold. Oh, the bells are making so much noise. Hey, you got it. Okay, it's looking nice. So I'm guessing it's nice. Ooh, ooh. Hey, look at your girl's cake. Oh my god. I know you guys wish you could taste, you could have a taste. I'll just let it cool down. I'll just let it cool down and then we'll try it later. Okay, so I let it cool down. I went to a shop and came back. And now I'm here to try it. It's soft in the inside and outside it's like crunchy. And it has a nice taste, obviously, because of the vanilla essence. It's plain, so it's kind of like bread, but it's good. Anyway, let me just finish it. I just wanted to taste it on camera to tell you guys how it tastes, but it's good actually. You guys can try the recipe at home. And now I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so I'll just end it right here. Before we end the video, obviously I'm ending with a quote from my book of Never Quit. So I hope you guys actually enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn your bell notifications on to stay updated about every time I post. So today's quote is from Melvin Chapman, and it's actually like a question. So he said, what great achievement has been performed by the one who told you it couldn't be done? I'll repeat. Today's quote is from Melvin Chapman, and he says, what great achievement has been performed by the one who told you it couldn't be done? Yay, ask yourself that question. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are going to try the recipe at home. And actually the ingredients, I'll put them down in the comment section. No, in the description box. Yeah, down here I'll put them in the description box. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn the notifications on to stay updated about every time I post, and share. Give me video ideas on what to do next. Anyway, till next time, always remember to never quit. Never quit. Bye.